This is tutorial number 102, and it covers how to use the Split Entities sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a new part file, click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So I'm going to show you how to use the Split Entities sketch feature, and why we would be using this is if you have an entity, a line, a little sketch that you have, and you only want a part of it left over, you'd use the Split Entities feature to create new endpoints, and you're able to delete the old ones, or you're able to delete sections of the original sketch to create a new sketch. So to show you, let's click Sketch, click the front plane, and we'll just do a basic one right now. Just click on the rectangle and let's draw one out. So now we have the rectangle, and say that we only want this corner here. We want to get rid of the rest of it. To do that, we would really have to delete the whole thing here, and then with the line go and just draw those two lines. Instead, if we have the sketch, like the entity sketch here, so click Tools, Sketch Tools, the Split Entities. If we click this, wherever we click on the lines, it creates a new endpoint, and then we're able to delete other sections. So if we want to keep the line to this point and to this point, we'd click here and click there. And let's put a couple dimensions on this. Let's just make from this point to this point, make it 25, and do the same for this bit here. Make it 25. So we want to keep this little section of a 25, 25, okay? So now we're able to go and delete these sections here all the way around, and we're able to just keep this original sketch. Now if we wanted to do that the other way, we'd have to delete the whole thing and then go and sketch it out, such as that. So let's discard the sketch, and let's do another one. Click Sketch, click Line, click the front plane, and let's just draw a sketch like this, 3-point arc, and you're able to do the split entities on a curved surface too. So let's click Tools, Sketch Tools, Split Entities, and there's already a couple points on here, so let's actually just use those. So let's say that we want the whole sketch minus from this point to this point. So what we want to do is click this point here and this point here, then click the select button and select that section in the middle, click delete, and we've gotten rid of it. And let's just close it up, say we want a straight line there, and now we have the straight line there. So with this, the split entities, what it allows you to do is just keep sectioning off one specific line or sketch, whatever it may look like. So go back in there, click the split entities, and you can see that every time we click, we're splitting it up into multiple sections. And then from each of those sections, you're able to select and delete that section, or you're able actually to select it, that section, and even extend it to a certain point. So it's up to you, but using that split entities feature allows you to split up one line, one curve, whatever it may be, into multiple sections, and you're able to manipulate them and make them do whatever it is that you want them to do. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the split entities feature within SOLIDWORKS.